Hey, beautiful souls. I pray that you all are having a blessed day so far. In today's video, we have a delicious lava chicken. Just like I promised you guys, I would have another one where I made the chicken from scratch and it's stuffed with seasoned rice. Yum. This is a gourmet lava chicken. Okay, let's get into it. It came out delicious. The sauce was nice and spicy. Let's get into the recipe. So we're going to start with the rice. Get some oil in the pan on medium heat. Add some diced or chopped onions. Saute that till they get a little translucent. And then you're going to go ahead and add some diced carrots and red bell pepper, or any bell pepper you want to add. Go ahead and saute that a bit as well for like 5 minutes. And then now we're going to add some minced garlic, some scotch bonnet pepper, and some scallions. We have some thyme, some tomato paste. Give that a mix. You're going to saute that up for like about 3 to 5 minutes again. And then here I'm adding my brown rice. You can use any kind of rice you want to use. I wanted to use brown rice for this cook. Stir that right on up. Then you're going to add some water to cover your rice. Yes. And then I'm adding this new seasoning I bought. It's called Soul Seasoning. This seasoning is salty. If you buy it, use it minimally. Okay? Okay. All right, then once the rice starts to absorb most of the water, you'll cover it with foil and cover it up on low. And then in this pot, I'm just showing you I'm melting some butter. And while that butter is melting, I'm going to go ahead and start on my lava sauce. So I have some cilantro, minced garlic, red bell pepper, some onion, some scallion, some scotch bonnet pepper, all going into the blender. And then I have the littlest bit of Carolina Reaper pepper left. And so I'm going to add that in. I just wanted to show you guys that it's the Carolina Reaper pepper. Ooh, this is going to be so spicy. It's going to be so good. And then here I have some cayenne pepper, some paprika, some Peggy's hot sauce. That's a local hot sauce out here in PA. Some vinegar, some lemon juice, some seasoning salt. And then give her a blend. Blend her on up. Blendy, blend, blend. Blendy, blend, blend. Look at that. If you like spicy food, you will love this. If you don't like spice, just omit the peppers and you can still make the sauce and it'll still be good. And then now I'm taking out some of that butter because some of that butter is going to make, I'm going to mix in the seasonings to add onto the chicken in a bit. Anyway, so in the pot of butter that I have here, I added the hot sauce, which is making us a nice gourmet buffalo sauce. Our rice is done. Yum. So good. So good. It tasted, I love the carrots in the rice. I don't do that often, but the carrots in the rice were really good. And the rice still had a slight bite to it because I'm going to add it into the chicken and let it cook the rest of the way in the chicken, and it came out perfect. All right, so in this, I'm adding in seasoning salt, paprika, cayenne pepper, some lemon juice, some garlic powder, onion powder, ground black pepper, and some Jamaican curry powder. And that's in the oil that we had set to the side. Not oil, sorry, butter that we set to the side. Now here's my chicken. It's already cleaned in vinegar and lemon juice, and I'm just going to go ahead and pat it dry. Then once I pat it dry, I'm going to go ahead and massage some oil all over that bad boy. And then we're going to go ahead and massage our seasoning mixture. Make sure you get under that skin. Make sure you get in the cavity of the chicken. You really want to get the seasoning all over the chicken. And then here I am with some rice. You don't have to stuff it as much. I overstuffed this chicken. You don't have to stuff it as much as I did. Okay. And then we're gonna get this in the oven on 375 for I want to say I cooked this for about 3 hours. I cooked it on top mostly, but then to get the thigh and the leg cooked, I had to move it to the lower rack and cook it longer. So I cooked mine for about 3 hours. This is a 6-pound chicken. Just, base it off of how your chicken is looking. Anyways, look how good this looks. Look how this looks absolutely delicious. And mind you, while it's baking in the oven, every like 30 to 45 minutes, you want to baste it just like I was doing. But it looks chef's kiss, superb. All right. And now you see that lava sauce bubbling up. Lava, chicken. And I must say, this is 10 times better than the one I made the other day, which I kind of knew it would be. And so that's why I wanted to do different versions of this. But you just want to pour that lava sauce all over your chicken. Lather it all over your chicken. Yum. Get it all over your chicken. And there we have our gourmet lava chicken. So good, stuffed with seasoned brown rice. I mean, you have a whole complete meal there. Let me know down in the comments if you will make this. Did you enjoy this recipe? If you did, let me know. Thank you all for tuning in. God bless and peace.